Hello, hi, namaskara. I am Rishabh Chatterjee and today I will be sharing about an incident that was shared by Mr. Dhyanchand, and this is an accident that happened between a Honda City and a Maruti Suzuki Swift Dzire, and he has also shared his opinion in this post that he posted on social media. So as you are seeing the pictures, let me share with you what has he exactly shared. So what he has written in his post is that accident right in front of my office at 5:30 p.m. today, no major injuries to anyone. So this incident happened on 12th March 2019, and few points to be noted. This is what his opinion is. Number one, similar damage to both the vehicles irrespective of make and segment. Number two, both the front airbags deployed of Honda City, while Dzire Tour has no such concept. So Dzire does not come with airbags, this Tour model. It's a steep incline/decline with S-curve. People driving up tend to speed up to avoid lose momentum and swerve right into wrong lane to overtake slow moving vehicles ahead, while vehicles going down get deceived by the slope. Fourth point, at least 10 to 15 squeaking noises can be heard every day. Bikers skid and fall off more often during rain or if there is some kind of spill. Fifth point, many heavy vehicles like buses and lorries break down here. People riding double triple on low cc vehicles get down and give a push. Overloaded tuk-tuks ask passengers to get down too. Drive safe, stay safe. As you saw, Mr. Dhyanchand shared some valuable points with all of us so that we can learn from this incident and not repeat it. And one of the main points that I want to highlight looking at this accident was, the first thing that struck me was, because it's a curve, this is what, when I was a new beginner driver, whenever I used to go on ghat roads, if you would have seen my older videos on ghat roads I have made, so I always used to feel scared while going in curves. Now people used to tell me, why you're driving slowly, you can go fast, it's so much enjoyable, but I used to fear going on ghat roads because I didn't have that much proper control over the car. Like, I knew driving, but on ghat road, suppose there's a car suddenly coming, you need to react very fast. And what I was always scared of was, during a curve, normally you see people don't come on the opposite lane, but there are sometimes suddenly you will find one car or truck overtaking on the blind curves, and that's when like your instincts come in, and if suppose it does not, like, you don't react properly, it can lead to an accident. So my suggestion to all of you watching, and also share it with your friends too, is that please don't try to overtake in any curve and don't come into the other lane, because you might think that chalo, this time nothing will happen, I'll just overtake for 2 seconds, nothing much, I'll just overtake, there won't be any car. But that time only the car will come, because you never know what will be the situation, whether there's a car or not. Why to overtake like blindly when you can just wait a few seconds, and when you see an open stretch of road, then you overtake. So never think that this time I can overtake, because this time might be the last time. So my only suggestion looking at this, Mr. Dhyanchand has already shared a lot of points, but my only point that I like to emphasize on is, please don't overtake on curves where you can't see whether there's a opposite traffic coming or not. So if you want to share any other points, your opinion, comment below, because it's a two-way conversation. I've shared my point. If I missed something, you can also comment below. I'll also learn, and others watching the video will also learn. Well, if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button. If you didn't like the video, click on the dislike button and let me know what would you like me to improve. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram at @rcmediahouse and Facebook, YouTube, Rishabh Chatterjee. Well, for now, that's it. This is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Drive safe, ride safe. Bye bye.